There was a beautiful flower garden in a certain village. There was a girl named Shania in that village. Shania wanted to visit this flower garden. When Shania woke up early in the morning and started her journey to flower garden, there was an attractive environment with beautiful birds chirping. Shania came to the gate near flower garden. Shania can't wait to see flower garden. Shania goes to the flower garden. Shania sees a pool of water. A bird is drinking water there. Shania then enters through a flower gate. Shania cannot believe any of this. Shania then enters through a flower gate. Shania cannot believe any of this. After, Shania enjoys mental healing with her eyes closed among the roses. Shania sees more flowers. Shania goes further along the flower garden. Shania sees colored roses. Shania then comes to a sunflower garden. Shania sees a rabbit and a deer. Shania likes it. Later, Shania sees wasps coming to get nectar from sunflowers. Shania then thanked Vishwa for this experience and was happy looking at the sun.